Is your business ready for ERP? Are you looking to grow, maximize, or modernize your business? Are you using old, antiquated software that may be near or past end of life and using a system that you have outgrown? Dealing with islands of information and disconnected systems across your business? Interested in ERP software but don't know where to start? Essential Software Solutions can help. As a full-service Canadian ERP house providing collaborative sales, implementation, consulting, and support services, we are positioned to help. We can provide ERP solutions to make your business mobile and provide information for you to make faster business decisions. Here is how to prepare yourself for ERP success. Collect a list of business requirements. Get your executive management on board. Have a budget in mind. Once you have these things, give us a call and we'll help get you started. Unlike others, we engage with our customers like partners and work collaboratively to provide winning strategies and engagements, which lead to successful projects. Look around. We think you'll like what you see.